Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about questions from Fisheries Extension, very useful for your JRF exam as well as Fisheries Officer and Extension Officer exam. So let's start with questions from Fisheries Extension. For first question, the word signifies an out-of-school system of education. So it is extension. Extension is the word that signifies an out-of-school system of education. The word extension is derived from, so it is derived from the Latin word. Then process of providing situation in which learning takes place, so it is known as teaching. The book Extension Education was authored by, so it was authored by AIDB Reddy. An organization and or a program for agri development and rural welfare which employs the extension process as a means of program implementation is called, so that program is called extension service. Next, extension is helping people to help themselves. Correct answer is option B. Extension is helping people to help themselves. Extension is teaching through. Correct answer is both A and B, learning by doing and seeing by belief. Both is correct answer. Extension is teaching through learning by doing and seeing by belief. Extension is working in harmony with dash of the people, so it's with culture of the people. Extension work according to the culture of people. Is the process of teaching rural people how to live better by learning ways that improve their farm, home and community institution. Correct answer is option A, it is extension education. Is the process of providing situation in which learning takes place. Correct answer is option C, it is teaching. This question is repeated again. Dash is the process by which a person becomes changed in his behavior through self activity. Correct answer is option A, by learning. Dash is the production of desirable changes in human behavior. Correct answer is option B, education. Classroom teaching is largely vertical while extension teaching is horizontal. The next, extension teaching is invariably of dash while formal education is mostly of dash in approach. Correct answer is extension teaching is inductive type while formal education is deductive type. The fundamental objective of the extension is the correct answer is both A and B, development of the people and destination man. Then dash is the lack of something. Correct answer is need is the lack of something. Dash is defined as a goal seeking behavior, that is motivation. Extension teaching methods are classified by both A and B, Wilson MC and Galley G. The cone of experience were devised by, correct answer is option A, Edgar Dale. The extension methods are classified according to, so it is classified according to use and form. The main purpose of dash is to influence the behavior of people. Correct answer is option C, it is communication. Radio, television and exhibits are classified under dash teaching method, so it is mass contact teaching method. Farm and home visits are classified under, so correct answer it is classified under individual contact teaching method. Option C is correct. Leaflets are classified under, so it is classified under written form of teaching method. The ratio of takes to exposures is high in dash teaching method, so correct answer is option B, it is high in farm and home visit, that is individual contact method. Then next, it is a method of teaching designed to show by example the practical application, value or worth of a improved practice. Correct answer is option B, it is result demonstration. Method demonstration that is used to teach the, correct answer is method demonstration is used to teach skills. The method is an organized presentation and appeals to the ear minded. Correct answer is option C, it is lecture. It is an informal conversation put on for the benefit of the audience by a small group of speakers, usually from 2 to 8 in number, so this is known as panel. The problem solving in group discussion is based on dash pattern, so it is based on reflective thinking pattern. In the initial stage of extension, it is necessary to gain confidence of farmers by result demonstration. It is an instructional device in which the message can be heard as well as seen, so it is audio visual aid. Example for display type of visual aid is posters and bulletin boards. Example for presentation type of visual aid is flashcard and slide. The latter is reproduced and sent to many people by the extension worker to publicize an extension activity or to give timely information on farm and home problem, so it is known as circular. Translide is an example for dash type of visual aid, so it is the example of non-projected type of visual aid. The word television comes from a Greek word meaning seen from afar. Models and specimens are dash dimension visual aids, so it is three-dimensional visual aids. The example for symbolized visual aid is, correct answer is option C, it is both A and B, charts and graphs and maps. It is designed to make a public announcement of a special idea with few words and an illustration. Correct answer is option A, it is poster. The other name for a flannel board is, correct answer is option A, it is felt board. Bulletin board is also called as, so it is also called as tack board. It is defined as the sensation resulting from stimulation of the retina of the eye by light waves. Correct answer is option A, color. Red, yellow and blue are examples of primary colors. The word communication has its root in Latin word dash, which means establishing commonness, that is communis. Latin word communis. The physical bridges between the sender and receiver of the message are called as, so it is called as channel. Terminating element in communication processes, so it is B, audience response, that is feedback. It is the terminating element in communication process. It is a scientific study of man's behavior in relationship to other group and individual with whom he interacts. Correct answer is option A, it is sociology. Who is the father of sociology? Correct answer is option C, it is Auguste Comte. It is a group of people who have lived together sharing common values and general interest long enough to be considered by others and by themselves as a unit. Correct answer is option B, it is society. Next, it is defined as two or more people in reciprocal interaction with one another, so this is known as group. The crystallized mechanism clearly defined ways in which society meets its needs. Correct answer is option C, institution. The process by which an individual is conducted into his social and cultural world is called, so it is socialization. The division of society into a series of levels indicating positions of individual and groups in the value system existing in that society is called social stratification. All societies have acceptable and unacceptable forms of behavior called, so it is called as social norms. The sum total of the ways in which human beings live transmitted from generation to generation by learning is, it is through culture. A culture trait essential to all members is called, it is universal. The customary ways of behaving in a society in which society exerts some force for conformity are called, it is called folk ways. It is the tendency of man to consider his own culture of high value and superior to all other, it is ethnocentrism. The behavior that are not ought to be in society are called taboos. The small villages located away from other villages or on the fringes of larger villages are called hamlets. The human relationship structure wherein people purposefully associate in systematically arranged unit to achieve common purpose, it is known as organization. Primary and secondary groups are classified based on the type of relationship. Next, it is a social category whose members are assigned a permanent status within a given social hierarchy and whose contacts are restricted accordingly, so it is caste. The social process in which two or more individuals or groups strive against each other for the possession of material or non-material good, so it is competition. The process of developing temporary working agreement between conflicting individuals or group, so it is known as accommodation. The social process which initiates action for and with the followers is called leadership. The leader is one who has received specialized training in the field in which he works. It is professional leader. The leader shares with the group members decision making and planning of activities. Democratic leader. The simplest functional unit into which culture may be divided is called culture trait. Change in dash are usually more readily accepted than changes in another aspect of culture, so it is technology. Broad objective of community development are, it's all economic development, social justice and democratic growth. The word democracy is derived from the Greek roots kresi meaning rule of people and demos meaning, okay. The age limit for active membership in YFA must be, that is below 35 years. Expansion of TRISEM is training of rural youth for self-employment. It is TRISEM, training of rural youth for self-employment. Then JRY stands for Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Expansion for YFA is Young Farmers Association and age limit is below 35 years. ICRISAT means for International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. MANAGE stands for National Institute of Agriculture Extension Management. NIRD stands for National Institute of Rural Development. First KVK was established in India at Pondicherry. PRA stands for Participatory Rural Appraisal. RRA stands for Rapid Rural Appraisal. PLA means Participatory Learning Action. The technique of learning with and from the villagers is called PRA, that is Participatory Learning Action. The Community Development Program was launched in India in 1952. IRDP stands for Integrated Agri Development Program. IRDP stands for Integrated Rural Development Program. DWCRA stands for Development of Women and Children in Rural Areas. NREP stands for National Rural Employment Program. It is a science of human behavior, so it is psychology. The sum total of ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with others is called, so it is called personality. The personality individual is basically objective reality oriented, who is much more dull than a thinker, so it is extrovert. The personality individual is more adjustable to the situation, so they are ambivert. The enduring attribute of a person that appears constantly in a variety of situations is called trait. Then it denotes a state of being moved, stirred up or aroused and involve impulses, feeling and physical and psychological reaction. So it is emotion. It is a condition in which an individual perceives the wish, goal blocked or unattainable, so it is frustration. The decision to make full use of an innovation is called adoption. The spread of new idea into the social system is called diffusion. Any idea practiced that is perceived as a new by the farmer is called innovation. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. इसमें हम लोगों ने 100 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया. इसका पार्ट 2 भी आएगा जिसमें 100 मोर क्वेश्चंस होंगे, जिसमें फिशरी एक्सटेंशन का पार्ट 2 रहेगा वो. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर योर पेशेंस. कीप शेयरिंग द वीडियो एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ. और आप बीइंग फिश को टीम को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे बीइंग फिश को का आईडी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया. आप वहाँ से इंस्टाग्राम पे हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं. प्लस हमारा खुद का टेलीग्राम चैनल भी है, आप वहाँ जाके हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. और किसी भी क्वेरी के लिए मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आप वहाँ पे मैसेज करके कोई भी क्वेरी आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.